One of the reasons why we created the Fourneau Fire Pit Grill is to cook stuff at really high temperatures outside. Grilling over hardwood is one of the best ways to achieve high temperatures. We're going to use a wok on the Fourneau Fire Pit Grill to stir-fry tofu and vegetables, make a delicious dish. Frying this tofu in a mixture of avocado oil and roasted peanut oil to get it nice and crispy before we stir fry it with the rest of the ingredients. When cooking with wood, you're going to burn through it faster than if you're cooking with charcoal briquettes. One of the awesome things about cooking with hardwood is that you can just stoke up the fire by adding little pieces of split hardwood and control the temperature as you go. Add a little bit more and it's going to come right back up to temperature. I'm cooking in a 16-inch cast iron wok with natural seasoning. Cooking over high heat like this is only appropriate for cast iron or steel or stainless steel. Never use any non-stick to cook over a live flame. A couple of batches of this. What the hell, a little more sriracha. Super high heat is the secret to stir frying. You don't want to overcook things and you don't want to burn them, but you want to get a little black spot on them. Damn, this handle's hot. I'm done. Cooking over high heat, it's the only way.